Hey everyone, this is Nick with Draftbit. This is part 6 of the Introduction to Draftbit video series. Today we're going to cover publishing. If you have made it to this video, I want to be the first to congratulate you. You have built an app that you're ready to publish to the app stores. Way to go. If you're not quite ready to publish yet, definitely go back and check out videos 1 through 5. In those videos, we cover design, layout, navigation, connecting data, creating interactions, and previewing and sharing your app. One of the great things about Draftbit is that we give you a bunch of different routes to publishing your app. Each publishing route is pretty unique, and you should definitely refer to our documentation for whichever publishing route you would like to take. In this video, I'm going to cover each publishing route and what it's used for. You might remember from introductory video 5, previewing and sharing, that you can create a unique shareable landing page for your app. This can be found in the Shared Project button in the top toolbar of your Draftbit builder. When I publish my Share App link, I get a unique landing page, which is perfect for sharing with friends or teammates. Share Project is best if you want to share a quick version of your app to get feedback or to use for testing. For power users and customers on our Pro plan, we give you the ability to download your app's source code directly to your desktop. To download your app's source code, open your View Code modal and then click this Export App button. We will email a link to download your app's source code. Alternatively, to download your source code, you can set up a commit to your GitHub repo. Again, downloading source code and committing to GitHub are only available to customers on our Pro plan. When I click the Publish button from the top bar of my builder, you'll see that I'm presented with 3 options: publishing to a progressive web app, publishing to the Apple App Store, and publishing to the Google Play Store. When I publish an app as a progressive web app, Draftbit is going to generate a web version of my app that's available at this URL listed in the modal. Progressive web apps are native-like mobile apps. Users can visit them from the browser on their device. They can install them to their mobile device, but there are limitations. They don't have access to native device libraries, and at the end of the day, they are more like websites than native mobile apps. The final 2 options that I'm going to cover in this introductory video are publishing to the Apple App Store and publishing to the Google Play Store. When you first log into Draftbit, you will notice that these 2 publish buttons are inactive. There's a few setup steps that you need to go through in order to instruct Draftbit where to publish your apps to. Once you have those details saved in your app settings, these buttons will become enabled and I can submit builds to the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Submitting apps to the App Store is a one-click process, so I will just click Publish and Draftbit will begin the publishing process for me. This process could take a few days, so make sure that you're submitting a build of the version of your app that you actually want to submit to the App Store. We'll let you know when the app has been submitted to the App Store or if there were any errors on publishing. Congratulations on building your app with Draftbit and on publishing. 2 final things. For help with publishing, visit our community at community.draftbit.com. And once your app is submitted to the App Store, we would love if you would visit the Showcase channel in the community to share your progress and inspire other Draftbit users. Thanks very much and happy publishing.